I was influenced. This is not an ad, no sponsorship, no commission, but I was influenced to buy it. So let's see if it's actually good. I made it the viral way. Milk, cheese, I added a little butter, and then I sprinkled just a little bit of parsley on top. Let's see. Whoa, 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 buddy. My review, hold on. My thoughts, very good, very flavorful, very creamy. It comes with 2 packets. One is like a seasoning packet, one is a sauce, more spicy packet. I didn't put the full spice packet, but I would next time. It's really not that spicy with like half the packet. Might be a little too creamy for me on a daily basis, but it's pretty good. I also added cheese in there too, so. I love the way the sauce and everything sticks to the noodles. That is good.